Tesla semis to get 18 new megachargers at this Pepsi plant. Tesla partner PepsiCo is set to build new semi-charging stations at one of its manufacturing sites, as revealed in new permitting plans shared this week. On Friday, Tesla charging station scout Marco RP shared plans on X for 18 semi-megacharging stalls at PepsiCo's facility in Charlotte, North Carolina, coming as the latest update plans for the company's increasingly electrified fleet. The stalls are set to be built side by side, along with 3 Tesla Megapack grid-scale battery systems. The plans also note the faster charging speeds for the chargers, which can charge the Class 8 Semi at speeds of up to 1 megawatt. Tesla says that the speed can charge the Semi back to roughly 70% in around 30 minutes. You can see the site plans for the PepsiCo North Carolina Megacharger below. Tesla to build Semi-Megacharger station in Southern California. PepsiCo's Tesla Semi fleet, other megachargers, and initial tests and deliveries. PepsiCo was the first external customer to take delivery of Tesla's semis back in 2023, starting with just an initial order of 15. Since then, the company has continued to expand the fleet, recently taking delivery of an additional 50 units in California. The PepsiCo fleet was up to around 86 units as of last year, according to statements from Semi-Senior Manager Dan Priestley. Additionally, the company has similar megachargers at its facilities in Modesto, Sacramento, and Fresno, California. And Tesla also submitted plans for approval to build 12 new megacharging stalls in Los Angeles County. Over the past couple of years, Tesla has also been delivering the electric Class 8 units to a number of other companies for pilot programs. And Priestley shared some results from PepsiCo's initial semi-tests last year. Notably, the executive spoke with a handful of PepsiCo workers who said they really liked the Semi and wouldn't plan on going back to diesel trucks. The company is also nearing completion of a higher volume Semi plant at its Gigafactory in Nevada, which is expected to eventually have an annual production capacity of 50,000 Semi units. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.